For question 2, we are given the pattern or the sequence. 3x plus 1, no 2x, no 3x minus 7. So ithemu yokuqala le enye ithemu yesibili, le enye kube ithemu yesithathu. Okay. So now ithemu yesithathu. Now, bathi lana solution of what? Basho lama term law. They are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic sequence. So we are told that we would learn the arithmetic sequence, which means the second term minus the first term is the third term minus the second term. Because I'm told with the arithmetic sequence, then that we are required to find the value of x. So again, the second term you 2x minus the first term you 3x plus 1. Ifaka ama brackets okhombisa ukuthi le term ihamba yonke njengoba injalo. And then the third term it's 3x minus 7 minus the second term which is 2x. Now if you remove my brackets with negative la, I will have 2x minus 3x minus 1 equals to 3 minus 2 will give me 1x minus 7. Now you need to collect all the like terms. Transpose x to the left hand side. I will have minus x minus 3. It's minus 4x minus 4x plus 2x. It's minus 2x. Then minus 7 to negative 1 to the right hand side. Plus 1 minus 7 plus 1. You will get to minus 6. Then you divide both sides with negative 2. Then your x value will be 3. Now, question 11 the first and the second term or the second terms of an arithmetic sequence are 10 and 6 respectively. Now, since this is an arithmetic sequence, then what is the formula? The arithmetic sequence. It's the nth term. You can say the nth term length. Normal illas term is equal to a plus into n minus 1 times d. U a lo the first term. Bese ukuthi u d is different. Then la basitshela ukuthi iterm yokuqala the first and the second term ukuthi yuba. So the second term is 6. The first term yuba you 10. So u a is the first term. Now send your balagin. And nth term is equal to so a fagabani 10 plus into n but you calculate the 11th term of the sequence. So base figure up minus 1 times d, since it's an arithmetic sequence, it's a misbid minus. It's a milk. So 6 minus 10. That will give me a difference. Now, roughly it's 11. Since the nth term of or the 11th term would be 10 plus into 11 minus 1 into 6 minus 10 will give me minus 4. So it's 11 will be what? Will be negative 8 if you punch your calculator. So it will be negative 8. Then 2.2.2 Sabatilana, the sum of the first n term or n terms of this sequence is negative 506. We are required to calculate the value of n. So the formula is sum to n terms of an arithmetic sequence is given by sum to n term is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus into n minus 1 into d. So, a kuyamazi is sum to n term. They told you that it's negative 560. n wonomfunayo over 2 into a wako. You know if first term ukuthi ubani you 10 plus n lomfunayo minus 1 times the difference was negative 4. Then on this case, now I'm required to solve for n. Let me times everything ngobani ngo 2 both sides. Then the answer I am here, 2 times negative 506 will give negative 1120, negative 1120 equals to, now 2 times 10 will give me 20, and then I remove my bracket, or negative 4 times n is negative 4n. Negative 4n times n will give me negative 4n squared. And then negative 4 times negative 1 will give me positive 4. Positive 4 plus 20 must give me 24 times n will give me plus 24n. Then let me transpose konke lokhu to the left hand side. I will have 4n squared, the positive, minus 24n minus 1120 equals to 0. Then from this case I'm required to factorize. If you don't know the factors, you can use the quadratic formula. So I'm factors ala firstly, I can divide everything by 2 because it's 4 yangena yonke indawo la. If I divide by 4, 4 ngizoba no n squared. Now la divide by 4 ngizoba no negative 6. 4 yangaka kwanta is 280. We say the negative sign yakhona njengoba injalo. 0 divided by 4 0. So let me factorize. So in number mangi times nginezo 1 times 1. 208 number mangi times 208, kodwa mangi minus azingezo 6 is 20 times 14. So I've got 20 times 14. Inami kuzothatha sign emgcile to minus la plus. Then therefore n wami ulingana ne20 noma n wami uzolingana nobani no negative 14. But thina sithatha le positive also sonke isikhathi. So n will be equals to 20 only. Singayithathi le negative 14.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.